Audimus.Server is the offline transcription platform from VoiceInteraction. Based on proprietary technology, this system is able to receive any audio or video file and return a full text transcription in just a quarter of the original file length as an editable and searchable file you can keep for metadata. With an out-of-the-box setup, you just need to upload a file, choose the desired language, and the application will do the rest. This is the main page of the web interface. Here you have access to all the active tasks in the system. After a task is finished, the user has a large group of output formats at hand, specially designed to fit in any workflow. With more than 35 languages available, Audimus.Server is the most efficient and accurate way to fully transcribe an audio or video file.